All right, here we are, just 3 or 4 days after the last video when I was adding water. The next day I had to add food, so I went ahead and did that. And now you can see we need to add water again. But remember what I said, within the next few weeks I guaranteed that the plants would be just about to the light, maxed out. And let's see where we're at. We are, I would call that at the light. Look at those plants. Pretty crazy. There are tricks to making them grow. And this just came on today. I'm gonna go ahead and add the water because I just added food day before yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the water so that there's not too much nutrients in there and not enough water to dilute them. These things are taking up water like crazy because they're growing like crazy. And I'm actually gonna have to start pinching these to make these plants more bushy instead of tall. And that'll be a video in itself. I'll probably get to that this weekend. A little too busy to do that right now. And just wanted to give you a quick little update, just to kind of show you where we're at. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water and I'll see you in the next video.